Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is having a quick look at possessive nouns. For example, here is a bar of chocolate. That's the noun. The name of this, it's a bar of chocolate. It's my bar of chocolate. So it's Uncle Geoff's bar of chocolate. Uncle Geoff apostrophe S. To show possession, to show that you own something, then you put an apostrophe S after the person or the thing's name and then the noun. So this is Uncle Geoff's apostrophe S bar of chocolate. I might share it with my wife later. This is Uncle Geoff's big book of nursery rhymes. This book belongs to Uncle Geoff. It's Uncle Geoff apostrophe S. Uncle Geoff's big book of nursery rhymes. Okay, so what's this? It's a litter tray. Now then, if you have one cat, what can you say? This is the cat's litter tray. However, if you have two cats, what do you say? This is the cat's litter tray. But look at the two different spellings. If you have one cat, then it's cat apostrophe S, the cat's litter tray. If you have two cats, then it's cat's apostrophe litter tray. We have two cats. This is number one, this is Chelsea, and this is cat number two. This is Lulu. So for singular possessive nouns, you add an apostrophe and an S. For example, my brother's car. For plural possessive nouns that end in S, you just add an apostrophe. For example, my parents' house. English grammar? Possessive nouns, easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. It's time to eat some chocolate. I'll see you later. Bye-bye for now.